how to get dynamic island on your Android phone easy and fast. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the dynamic island on the new iPhone 14 on your phone. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Play Store and then go to the search bar right here and search for dynamic island as you can see, and then you will find this option. It's called dynamic island dynamic spot. It has more than 1 million downloads. Click on it, and then all what you have to do is so simple. Just click install, and congratulations, now after it start installed, then you can have it on your phone easy and fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.